I'm Mike Costin.
I'm Adrian Papanidi.
We're co-founders of Aerospace Structural Research.
ASR was founded in 1995 with the mission to provide state-of-the-art mechanical engineering services to a wide range of businesses.
Since then, we have helped improve products in industries ranging from aerospace, industrial, electro-optics, electronic packaging, power generation, consumer products, and many more.
We understand that in today's fast-paced marketplace, the only way to stay ahead of the competition is to be the first to market while delivering the best value to your customers through innovative solutions.
Every new product has to perform better, be more efficient, more compact, run faster, and get to market in shorter time to be successful.
Our concurrent engineering process allows us to simultaneously design a product while analytically verifying performance.
We are focused on using our tools and experience to find innovative and actionable solutions to product development and life cycle challenges.
The final deliverables of the design service are a full set of drawings with bill of material, including 3D part definition for manufacturing.
Analysis is used to ensure a product meets performance requirements. These requirements include everything a product or system is expected to do. There are dozens of analysis types. Common analysis examples include stress for durability and heat transfer and flow analysis for temperature limitations and survivability.
To assist our clients in transitioning a product from design to prototype and production, ASR has a well-established network of manufacturing shops that are experts at prototype and production work.
We will help you get a cost-effective prototype fabricated and support your transition into production.
So, if you think that ASR can help you in developing your new product, please call us at 203-876-8165.
Or visit our website at asrengineering.com.